with this with this type of skirting, there's no real way to take it off. You just take it off with, say, whatever works. And that sort of worked well, so you know, that's how. And then it might be a little bit more difficult by the looks. So you just do, or whatever works. And that's working, so let's keep doing it. Okay, there's a couple of drummy tiles there, so I'll take them up. I won't take up the whole floor, it's unnecessary. I'll give it a bit of a cup grind because it's been painted. I will be going over the top. In refurbishment, you don't take up or take out what you need to and then put it back. That's just crazy. Yeah, crazy. Right, so once the plumber has done his thing there, I can resheet that, so I'll sheet it tomorrow. I should just mix up a bit of glue and just bulk that, so, and it might even be dry, so I can I won't be doing the waterproof today, so if I just bulk that up, I'll pick up some sheets of gyprock, or one sheet of gyprock, tomorrow morning on the way. So I'll patch this floor with a bit of mud. I think I've got a couple of bags in the van, so that's cool. I'll come back to you shortly. I'll grab my jackhammer and take up a couple of tiles over there in the corner. All the rest is nice and solid. There's a couple here that are a bit shitty, but that's alright. We'll just take them up, rebed it, we'll waterproof it, we'll laugh them. I'll come back to you shortly. Yo, I've got a mask on, so I might sound a bit funny. What I'm doing is I'm roughing up this floor. It's been painted beforehand, so I'm roughing it up. I'm going to be waterproofing it, so I'll be priming it, but I just wanted to give it a bit of a rough up. Yibbity 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 yibba. So yeah, into it. That there was a bit drummy, so I've taken it out. I'll throw some mud in, bring it up to that height, and we're laughing. I'll be trimming the doors down just a tad. It's better than you don't take it all up and re-screed the whole damn thing. And this is Australia. When your floor is solid, you go over the top when you can and trim the doors down to suit. This is called a cup grinder, DIYs, and it just attaches to your grinder. It's surprising how often it gets used. Okay, that's that. I'll sweep that out. That is why I don't use glue as my slurry, because it's always dusty. So that's why I put down water and then my glue or straight cement as my slurry. But I'll mud up these 2 holes, then I'm ready to put those couple of sheets in there. I'll prepare that, but Reese the plumber has got to do these pipes yet, so I'll go for lunch while he's doing that, and we're home and hose. See you soon. Ciao. G'day DIYs. Here I'm going over in this laundry, I'm going over the original tile. I've scuffed it up. I'll be waterproofing it tomorrow. All I'm doing now is just filling in where it was drummy. That's all you do. Drag it back like so. I will see these walls are painted, but I seal them because glue doesn't like sticking to paint. And then I've been fluffing around grinding and that sort of thing, so there's dust. So I super need to seal those walls. This is a laundry, but it's not just having a skirting around. I'm going half height there, full height there, full height on that wall, half height on that wall behind me. No sweat, Charlie. Just smooth it off. Oh, that's digging in. Great. Okay. I'll have to keep that closed. I don't want to take the door off because there's a dog involved, but that's all right. All good. That's going to be a real friggin' pain. So, we'll just take it off. Like that. I didn't know it was just stuck on. Throw it out. I thought it was going to be a real pain, but no, it's all good. Cool. I'll sponge that off. Oh, hello, don't you dare get out, out, out. Bloody dog. I love animals, so. Yeah, go in there, have a sleep. Go on. Don't you dare walk in my mud. That's where we wanted to go. Out. I'll have to close this bloody door now. Buzz off, buzz off. Okay, see you soon, people. I'm bloody dog minder now. Playing bloody babysitting the bloody dog. Okay, see you soon.